Hey there. So, hopefully you saw last week's review of WSP shave soap. Today, we're taking a look at their Aftershave. This happens to be their travel sample size, and it comes in a 30 ml glass bottle with a screw top plastic lid, as well as a pour limiter in the top. Now the scent that they sent me this in is Matterhorn. The scent is bergamot, mandarin, blackcurrant, musk, sandalwood, and a couple of others that I can't really say, but it's listed on their website. Now even though that it's got quite a few different scents in it, I definitely pick up the musk, the bergamot, and a very low hint of mandarin comes in there for a little bit of a citrusy scent. The scent also has a very sharp burn to it because it does have quite a bit of alcohol in it. And because of that alcohol, it's probably going to sting or burn a bit. So you're definitely not going to need more than probably about 1 or 2 shakes of this into the palm of your hand. First time I applied it, I definitely applied too much and I was feeling pretty bad burning up here on my cheeks because I applied it to just about everywhere that I shaved, and I have a few stray hairs up here, so I went ahead and applied it there as well, and it really burned. But the burn sensation didn't last very long, and honestly that burn's going to happen with anything like this because the ingredients in this are alcohol, witch hazel, their fragrances, glycerin, and allantoin, which is a glycolic acid. So it's gonna burn, guys. Now, I told you guys that I used the shave soaps for just about 2 months. Well, this I only used probably about half that time. Not because I didn't have it, but because I'm not used to applying an aftershave after shaving. But when I did use it, I definitely liked it. It definitely helped to close up them pores pretty quickly and help my face feel pretty nice and fresh. One of the things that I really like about WSP is that they have the sample sizes, so you don't have to buy the full thing and waste your money on a scent that you may not use. So make sure that you check out the links down below. If you like this review, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you get notified every time that I put out a video, and let me know down in the comment section what aftershave you're currently using. Until next time, you have a good one.